Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through some 4 popular Android emulators for PC that are widely regarded as among the best. So let's get started. The first one is Moomoo Player. Moomoo Player, which is the best Android emulator for PC, is known for its focus on gaming performance and compatibility with a wide range of Android games. Its performance, compatibility, key mapping, multi-instance manager, and user interface is top-notch. Moomoo Player is favored by users who prioritize gaming performance and compatibility when using Android apps and games on their PC. Now, the second one is GameLoop. GameLoop, previously known as Tencent Gaming Buddy, is an Android emulator developed by Tencent specifically for gaming. GameLoop is popular choice among gamers who want to play Android games on PC, specifically Tencent titles with a focus on performance, compatibility, and ease of use. On third, we have LD Player. LD Player is optimized for gaming and offers excellent performances, specifically with resource-intensive games. It supports high FPS gaming, key mapping, and multi-instance support. LD Player is known for its ease of use and compatibility with a wide range of Android apps. On fourth, we have BlueStacks. BlueStacks is one of the most popular Android emulators for PC, known for its smooth performance and wide compatibility with Android apps and games. It offers features like multi-instance support, customizable gaming controls, and easy synchronization between mobiles and PCs. Overall, these emulators are widely used for running Android apps and games on PCs, each offering unique features and optimizations tailored for different user preferences, specifically in gaming and app development. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.